We're displaying the mixed queue depalletizing solution using the Mujin controller. So Mujin controller is using a concept of machine intelligence to do all the picking here. And literally the robot, every single second, is measuring what's on the pallet and trying to figure out what to pick and how to pick it so that it can complete the task. So what's happening here is you can see the robot is maintaining a digital twin of what it's picking and the surroundings. And every single time it picks up a box, you can see that it knows exactly the size of the box, it knows the weight of the box, and therefore it can make sure it has the most optimal way to place it on the conveyor and that it's safe and completes the job. As the robot empties the pallet, the sensor will then realize that the pallet is empty and the job is done, and we can go and put on another pallet. The interesting thing about cobots is that they're very safe next to humans, and you can just place a cobot right next to a pallet and immediately have it depalletize and track all the items that are coming down on the conveyor.